What's going on, everybody? It's Trey Neal here with Trading Stocks. Welcome back to another video. And today's video is going to be all about this beauty you see right here. And this is a level 2. If you don't know what a level 2 is, let me just start with it's showing you orders. It's showing you actual orders. It's showing you where people are buying or where orders are sitting out willing to buy, I guess, should I say, and where orders are still sitting out wanting to sell their shares. This is a very, very, very important concept for your trading, especially if you're scalping. If you trade anything like how I trade VOSO today, in and out quickly like this, you have got to be using level 2. You need to be. And if you're in Thinkorswim, I just want to start with this too. This is not a Thinkorswim tool. This is a WeBull tool. The level 2 I am using comes from WeBull. Level 2 inside of Thinkorswim is dog water. It's very bad. You might as well not even use it. It's just not useful. This is a very, very, very useful tool. I'm going to show you guys how to get it set up and all of that as well in this video, along with the explanation of how to read it, how to use it to take some trades. So hopefully you're excited for it. Hopefully you're ready to learn. If you are, hit the like button. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. Trying to push for 1,000 subs on this channel, which would be amazing. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So I've already explained a little bit what level 2 is. It is showing you where orders are out there willing to buy the stock, what price people are willing to pay for something. That is called a bid. You probably already knew that, but let me explain that anyway. That is called a bid. What somebody is willing to buy a stock for is a bid. And it's also showing on the other side of the level 2, it is showing what people are willing to sell their shares for, which is an ask. Obviously, bids are lower than asks. Bids are going to be below the current price. You can see this this ticker right here currently moving. Nice bounce, by the way. You can see this ticker right here currently moving. You can see the price of it. You can see how the level 2 kind of fluctuates with it. So currently we are looking at, look at this bid level here at 1422. That's pretty good proof. It's not a big number or anything. It's a relatively small number, actually. But that's how you start to see where stocks have support, right? Technical analysis is great. I could come in here and I could draw, let me move this out of my way for a second. I could draw lines. Oh my gosh, there's support. There's some resistance up here. We can start to predict where people are going to buy and sell the stock at, which is fine and dandy and something you should be doing as well. You should be using at least some basic form of technical analysis, identifying trend, support, resistance. That's all fine and dandy. But what that's doing is predicting where buyers and sellers are going to step in. Once you start to get to those zones, you then need to be, once again, especially if you're scalping, this is very important for scalping, trading in and out quickly like I do, you need to be looking at a level 2 like this to show you where they actually are stepping in. So, as you can see up here, the stock ran up, running in through some ask walls here. There's nothing really super significant here, but there is 2,000. So by the way, these share size numbers here are also in hundreds of shares. So where you see this 2,000 number, that is actually 200,000 shares that are sitting out there willing to be bought at 1422. So it's a pretty significant number, a pretty decent little support there. So you could look to start longing off that. And then obviously the other way around, once it starts to go up, the price cannot go below 422 until these orders are eaten through. The price cannot go above the 1460. There's a decent number sitting there until those orders are eaten through. So some pretty significant levels you can start to look at there. And that really is the basics. That's really all you need to know. We don't need to sit here and overcomplicate it, make it tricky, make it hard. You guys have seen in some of my past live trade videos as well, I use level 2. So if you want to kind of see it in action, subscribe to the channel, potentially go back and find some of my other videos where I take live trades where I'm using level 2. But you can see it's a big part of my trade strategy. When I find a stock breaking out, fine and dandy. I'm a breakout retest buyer, right? I watch a stock break out. I look for pullbacks to enter. Part of that entrance signifier, part of what I'm looking for, part of my bullish confirmation is finding a decent bid to use as support. And then I put my stop loss below that bid. Putting your stop loss below where you know a support area is. So that's level 2. Bids, what people are willing to pay for the stock. Asks, what people are willing to sell the stock at. This is the price. This is the size. This depth chart up here, once again, with WeBulls tool. Very, very, very nice. Very awesome. It is a very easy visualization. You can start to see, geez, by the way, 1440 bid just popped in. Now look, I'm actually really happy that this happened. Now you may, not always, you may see this stock now spike. It just got a huge buy order at 1440 all of a sudden. So watch the stock it just went. I mean, it just went 15 cents. It's still going. It just bounced 15 cents right as soon as that order popped in. Just something very important to have up. It signifies moves just like that. That wasn't huge or anything, but it signifies moves just like that. You just saw a live example of a huge order popping up and pushing the stock forward. And you can also see now how that looks in the depth chart. Okay, very clearly defined. You have your depth structure looks good for a long here, in my opinion, because you got a nice sharp bull side compared to your ask side, compared to your bear side, your sell side. So that is level 2. That's how you read it. Now, I want to show you guys how to get this tool, because once again, it is not in Thinkorswim. So what you're going to need to do is download WeBull. It's an app. It's very simple. You know what WeBull is. We've all used it. I've got a link in my description down below if you've never used WeBull before. If you want to sign up, if you want to use this, you're going to get a free stock when you use that link through my affiliate code, which is awesome. You're not going to get rich. You'll probably get a stock worth $10. That's the typical. Somebody has used my code and gotten a share of Amazon before. He hit the freaking lottery. I don't know how he did it, but he sent me pictures. He actually sent me proof that he did get it. He got over $2,500 from using my referral code. So, yeah, if you've never signed up for WeBull, you might want to do that just in case. You're probably going to get a stock worth like $10, maybe even less, but it's still free money. Anyway, la-di-la-di-da, link in the description down below. Click it, sign up for WeBull. Then you're going to need to sign up for this level 2 as well. It does cost $2.50 a month, but like I said, you're going to get a free stock, and the first 3 months are free, and it's only $2.50 a month. Like, yes, okay, it's not a free tool. Trey, I want free tools. It'll pay for itself in one trade. I promise you. You start using this level 2 to trade, it pays for itself in one trade. And like I said, you get it for free for 3 months when you sign up, and you're going to get a $10 free stock. That's like 4 more months. Well, pause. You're gonna get a free stock. It might be less than $10, but that's gonna give you probably a couple of extra months of the thing. So it's definitely worth it. And once again, $2.50 a month for a tool that's gonna help you as much as it's gonna help you. Definitely worth it. But once you download the Webull application, for whatever reason, this is not defaulted. You're not gonna see this when you open Webull. So what you're gonna need to do, come in here on this kind of snowman drop down here, open this. Click add a widget, click order book. Here's your level 2. You can then drag it off your screen like I have, so you don't need to have like the entire Webull application up, which is a great thing about being a desktop app. You can just pull this off. What I do, pull this off, obviously resize it, and then it even has a little pin thing here. So now when I click on my background, obviously Webull disappears because my focus is on this, but this is pinned to always stay on top. So that's very useful. And then you can also come in, and so I'm currently showing 10 orders. You can stretch it out to 30, so you can see like a much more in-depth, like kind of how far down the bid orders and ask orders you want to see are. You can see up to 30, so that's another bit of the tooling there. But yeah, that's level 2. I kept it very simple. Buys, asks. You want big support. You don't want big ask walls. Hopefully that's pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions, if you have any better ways to explain level 2, put it in the description section down below. If you're going to sign up using my Webull referral code, good luck. Good luck on the stock you get, and good luck utilizing this tool in the future of this channel. When I post more and more live trades, I will get to walk through me using this in real life situations with real live trades as well. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to learn even more of how to use this tool to actually make money. So, yep, that's the video today. Learned how to read level 2, learned how to get it set up in your Webull, got a referral code that's going to give you a free stock when you sign up for Webull. All good stuff. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out today's video. I will catch you all in the next one.